Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I want to share with you all my current favourites. These are all kind of products that I've recently tried through lockdown. So it's been the last kind of 4 months that I've been trying these. Some of these products I have mentioned in previous videos and they just happen to be like just a follow-up. I'm just going to tell you a follow-up on how I'm doing with them because they happen to be some of my favourites at the moment. So yeah, let's jump straight into the video. I have a mix of things. I have makeup, skincare, hair care. So yeah, let's just dive straight in. First product that I've recently been trying out and absolutely loving, it's a new product from me. This is the Clarins Sweet Neroli Body Lotion and it looks like this. Oh my god, this smells absolutely amazing. I love it. I've been using it for the last couple of months. This is actually an online exclusive, so if you do want to give this a go, you will need to go onto the Clarins website. But yes, obviously it smells of neroli, going by the name. Smells insane, smells so nice. Absorbs really nicely into the skin and just gives your skin kind of a nice glow. And what I love about this in particular is it absorbs nice and quickly, but the smell lingers, so it does last all day. It lasts a really long time throughout the day and I love it because whenever I'm wearing kind of a scented body lotion, I like to smell myself all day, you know, I want to smell it. So yeah, this is amazing, loving this, and that's the Sweet Neroli Body Lotion by Clarins. Another product by Clarins is the Pure Scrub Exfoliating Gel. And this is the green scrub. Obviously exfoliation is really important for the skin, so you all want to be exfoliating at least twice a week. This is going to get rid of any dead skin cells and just overall improve the appearance of the skin, smooths out the skin. It basically is a treatment for the skin. I absolutely love exfoliating. So this is the one I use twice a week, and as I said, this was the Pure Scrub by Clarins, and this has the lava beads. This is so refreshing on the skin, leaves my skin feeling super smooth. It smells amazing. A little bit goes a long way, so you do not need to use a lot. But yes, I am loving this scrub, guys. Absolutely loving it. Next, this is one of my favourites. Like, I just can't even tell you how much I love this product right now. This is the Lancome, don't know how you say it really, but I'll give it a go. Miel and Mousse, and it looks like this. And it's this amazing mousse kind of slash oil cleanser. I don't use this every day. I use this when days where maybe once a week or so, or times where I'm wearing more heavier makeup and I want like a deep clean. This is gonna get it off. So you apply 2 to 3 pumps of this to dry skin, okay? Then you can literally splash some water on and just massage it all in, and it gets rid of everything. It's really gentle. It smells amazing. Honey is an amazing kind of antibacterial anyway, but it feels moisturizing. It smells incredible. I can't even tell you how good it smells. Like, I just need to smell now. Oh, it's just, I'm gonna use this tonight. Just decided. I love it. A little bit goes a long way, but it just smells and feels incredible. You do not need to use a lot of this. I absolutely love it. So yeah, it's 2 to 3 drops of this onto dry skin, and then literally splash your face with water, and then it kind of foams up and forms a lather, and then just rinse off and you're good to go. Guys, please give this a go if you haven't already. It's beautiful. I love it. Now, this product I have mentioned in one of my hauls that I've done on my channel, and it's the Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask. It looks like this. Now, obviously with my hair, it does involve bleaching and highlights, so I am obviously looking and have been, you know, really strong with my hair game at the moment, you know, it's got to be done. So yes, and it's summer, so all our hair is like typically drier in the summer months anyway, but my hair I've almost, obviously, because I am bleaching it, I do need to take extra care of it. So yeah, I've been using this. I don't use this every week. I've been using it like every 2 weeks. Leave it on damp hair after shampooing, and literally just leave it on for 30 minutes. Oh, it smells insane. Like, it smells amazing. It leaves my hair feeling really soft, and I have noticed a difference in terms of like the way my hair looks and like the feel. Love it, would highly recommend this. Obviously I do have quite short hair, so you would probably get through it a lot quicker if you have longer hair, obviously. But this is lasted me a good long time. Like, I barely touched it. But I love it, so would recommend that. Next product is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade. I have mentioned this in also my haul. This was the first time that I've tried it and I absolutely love it. I'm wearing it right now for my brows. Glides on really, really nicely. It's so nice to blend. It's easy to apply. It's a creamy light texture. And this is in Ebony. I think I said this last time. I don't know if it's pronounced Ebony or Ebony. But yeah, this is what it is. And it's basically like a very dark brown to a natural black colour. But yeah, love it. It's very, very long wearing as well, and it's waterproof, I believe, so it just doesn't budge. It just stays on and keeps my brows looking sharp and, you know, flawless. So yeah, loving that. Next product that I am loving is the Morphe palette, and it looks like this. I'm actually wearing two of these colours today on my eyes, and they are... So I am wearing this. Obviously it's quite awkward because they're not really labelled, are they? The Morphe colours. But yeah, I'm wearing this brown here on my eyes as my transition shade. And then I have this colour on in the corner. This one here. So yeah, don't know if you guys can see nice and what do you guys think? Love it. These colours are so, so nice to apply. They're beautiful. They blend beautifully on the eye, blend amazingly, and they also just kind of give you some, like, you can build it up. You can go for a natural look. You can go for an intense look. That's what I love about these palettes. They're perfect for the day, but you can also create a really good kind of night out look. They're really, really versatile palettes. So yes, I love it. And this is what I'm wearing at the moment. And this is my go-to palette because I am loving it. But yeah, they blend really, really nicely and they stay put all day. So yeah, loving that palette. Now, as you guys all know, I love a glow. I am all about a glow, glowy skin, highlight. I love it. So I recently purchased the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. And this is in Sun Dipped. You have 4 highlighting shades in this palette. One's bronzed, one's summer, one's tourmaline, and one is moonstone. Now, these are kind of powder, but they're not, if that makes sense. So the powder kind of base in like the compacts, like, but they're creamy. But you have the most beautiful kind of amazing shades. Look at that. That one is tourmaline, and I'm actually wearing tourmaline today for the first time because I have been switching between summer, which is that one there, and moonstone the most. They're typically the colours that I use the most in this palette. Haven't yet used bronze because it is kind of a very kind of deep kind of highlight that I don't know if it would necessarily suit me, but when I'm feeling brave, that is bronzed, yes. It's an amazing colour, but I don't know if it's going to be too dark for me. But when I'm feeling brave, I will pop it on. But yes, typically I go through summer and moonstone. But yes, like this palette is so, so nice. Like Anastasia Beverly Hills is quite a new brand for me because the Dip Brow Pomade was the first product I tried from them. And then the Glow Kit was the second. But obviously I do know that they're very, very well known for both of those products in particular. Like the Glow Kits are really successful and the Dip Brow Pomade is a massive product in general anyway. But this is definitely new to me. So although I know that the Glow Kits were amazingly successful, I still wanted to give it a go myself. And I love it like most people. Glow Kits are amazing. Definitely give the Glow Kits a go if you haven't already, guys. But yeah, I'm loving it. That's the Glow Kit and it's in Sun Dipped. And as you guys know, I love a highlight. But yes, they blend so, so nicely as well. Like a little bit goes a long way. But lastly, I do have a product to show you, and this is the last product. This is hair care related as well, and it's the Moroccan oil treatment oil. This has seriously improved the look and feel of the ends of my hair. So if you guys are suffering from split ends or dry ends, whatever, give this a go. It's amazing. They actually do it for light hair or just do an original. This is the original. This is like, because there's no colour in it, so it's going to be perfect for blonde hair. Smells insane. This works amazing as a heat protector as well, but you can apply this to dry skin. You can apply this to dry hair, damp hair, straight after washing. A little bit goes a long way, but I've seriously found that this product has really worked wonders on my hair in terms of giving it an amazing shine and the way it feels as well. So yeah guys, that's literally my current favourites. Hopefully you all have enjoyed this video. If you do have any questions about these products that I've mentioned, please let me know below. Don't forget the usual, give this video a like and a thumbs up if you did like and enjoy this video. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks guys.